If you're trying to open XNXX and it won't load, keeps refreshing, or blocks access completely, the most likely reason is age-related restrictions in your region. Many countries have recently introduced stricter rules that require websites to verify a user's age before allowing access. Because of this, some sites may not load properly at all or may appear broken, even though the issue is actually due to these restrictions. A simple and widely used solution for this is a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, routes your internet traffic through a secure server in another location. When you connect, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the server's IP, which helps bypass many common access problems, including regional restrictions. On top of that, a VPN adds an extra layer of privacy. Your activity is encrypted, meaning your internet provider, the network you're using, and even the websites you visit can't easily track what you're doing. This often results in a smoother and more stable browsing experience. One option worth trying is Toggle VPN. It's a fast and easy-to-use VPN that keeps your connection secure while helping you access websites without interruptions. With reliable servers in multiple countries, it makes bypassing restrictions simple and ensures a smooth browsing experience. Getting started is quick and easy. Just click the pinned link below to visit the official VPN website. Download the app and install it on your device. Once it's set up, open the app and connect to a server in a country where access is more stable, for example, the Netherlands. After connecting, simply refresh the page and it should load without any problems. In short, if a website isn't working due to age restrictions or regional limitations, using a VPN is one of the easiest ways to fix it. It improves access, protects your privacy, and helps ensure a more reliable connection overall. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and check out the link below to get started. See you in the next one.